Hello, welcome to my video on using the brainwriting method to formulate solutions to workplace problems. My name is Sheila Okoth, and I help career professionals like you to use business writing as a powerful tool for influence, problem solving, and critical thinking in the workplace to boost your professional reputation and advance your career. Problem solving is critical in most, if not all, businesses and industries. For your problem-solving skills to positively impact your career, you must identify the right problems to solve and implement appropriate solutions. So, what is brainwriting? Brainwriting 635 is a written, structured, silent group brainstorming technique where you can share your innovative ideas and build upon the ideas of other participants. The name Brainwriting 635 originates from the process of having 6 people write 3 ideas on a worksheet within 5 minutes. The German Bernd Rohrbach developed this idea generation technique in 1968. Brainwriting is a great method for generating ideas for solutions to a problem that you and your team has identified. So, why use brainwriting to formulate solutions to workplace problems? This technique provides the time and structure for your team to thoughtfully generate numerous ideas and to identify connections between and combinations among those ideas. This method is based on the premise that the success of the idea generation process is determined by the degree to which each participant contributes ideas and the extent to which those ideas are integrated with the suggestions of others. The basic steps in the brainwriting technique are as follows. First, assemble the team that will participate in the brainwriting exercise. The ideal number of participants is 6, but this technique will work for you with between 3 to 7 people. If you have 12 people, for example, consider dividing the group into 2 subgroups of 6 each. Ensure that all participants have enough background knowledge of the problem you're tackling, because this will impact the quality of outputs from the brainwriting exercise. Next, clarify the problem for which you are seeking solutions through the brainwriting exercise and write a consensus problem statement. Each participant then completes 1 row on a 635 worksheet. The 635 worksheet consists of a grid where the heading of the columns are idea 1, 2, and 3, and the rows identify the name of the participant that's contributed the 3 suggestions. The steps for completing the worksheet are as follows. First, write the agreed upon problem statement at the top of your 635 sheet. Next, write your 3 ideas, 1 in each box, in your assigned row of the worksheet within 5 minutes. Use these 5 minutes to develop your idea clearly, concisely, and legibly. Try to stick to between 6 to 10 words to describe each idea. However, don't edit your ideas excessively. You may find sometimes that it's difficult to think of 3 ideas. If you experience this challenge, leave the rest of the boxes in your row blank. At the end of 5 minutes, or when everyone has finished writing, pass your worksheet to the person on your right. Read all the ideas written on the worksheet that you've received from the person on your left to stimulate your own thinking and inspire you to come up with more ideas. Then, generate 3 more ideas in your assigned row of the worksheet. You may choose to build upon the previously listed ideas, also known as hitchhiking, or you may add new ideas that are unrelated to the previously listed ones. Remember to avoid talking during this writing process. Third, repeat the previous steps until each participant has had the opportunity to add their ideas to each worksheet. In theory, after 30 minutes of this exercise, 6 people generating 3 ideas every 5 minutes would result in a total of 108 ideas. At this stage of the process for identifying solutions, quantity takes precedence over quality. Finally, review the solutions that you've gathered. Delete any duplicate ideas, but keep all variations or extensions of ideas. And then discuss and clarify among the team and refine the ones that remain. Finally, as a team, select 1 to 3 solutions to pursue further. You may use techniques such as the nominal group technique or prioritization matrices to evaluate these ideas. Even though the brainwriting technique has a specific format and template, feel free to adjust it based on your workplace situation. You may change the number of participants, the time allocated for generating ideas, the number of ideas that each participant needs to generate, and how many rounds you do. If your team works remotely, you could modify this technique to work via email. Establish an email sequence ahead of time to determine who will email their sheet to whom, and then set up a virtual sharing of the worksheets within a set time period. You can also conduct brainwriting using a chat function such as Slack, Skype, Zoom, and so forth, where it's agreed in advance to who you will send your worksheet after you are done. There are several advantages of the brainwriting technique. First, it is a straightforward and easy method that's quick to teach and easy to learn. Secondly, it is a structured brainstorming method that combines the energy of exchanging ideas with the thoughtfulness of a non-verbal written exercise. Third, unlike in classic brainstorming, this technique assures equal participation from all members. If you're an introvert or someone that's less likely to speak up in social settings, brainwriting gives you the space and the time to share your ideas without being inhibited by more outgoing personalities in the group. Fourth, because ideas are categorized by contributors' names, you will be recognized when you propose an innovative solution, which can be a great source of motivation. Fifth, brainwriting is efficient because you define the participation time. But brainwriting does have a few downsides. First, participants might not write their ideas clearly and concisely enough to be understood by their teammates, which could result in some confusion. Secondly, the 5-minute time limit may cause some participants to feel pressured and restricted in their thinking. Third, because this technique does not involve group discussions, the solution resulting from individual contributions may be less creative than those you may generate through the classic brainstorming technique. In summary, Brainwriting 635 is a technique where, in theory, 6 people capture 3 ideas, each in written form. Each participant has 5 minutes to write down his or her ideas. Then, each participant passes her or his sheet to the next participant. This happens 5 times so that on each worksheet, 3 original ideas have been specified or further developed by 6 people. You can use this technique to formulate solutions for eliminating the root cause of a problem in your workplace. If you're looking to generate lots of ideas for solutions in a short period of time, consider giving brainwriting a shot. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful. Brainwriting is a great way to utilize your business writing skills to solve workplace problems. I'd also like to share my free gift to you to help you learn how to use business writing as a tool to exert your influence in the workplace. Click the link in the description box below to download my free ebook that will teach you 7 powerful ways to exercise your influence at work through your emails, presentations, memos, letters, and other business documents. Thank you for watching.